Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now before we proceed any further, just make sure that your light looks like the one I'm showing over here. If it's any different, then the process is going to be different for you. See right there, that's what the turn signal bulb is, and it's hard to access it from under the hood, so there's no point of even opening the hood. So if yours looks like this, the way to do it is we'll access it from the wheel liner. Turn the wheel all the way towards the left if you're working on the right side light, and all the way to the right if you're working on the left side light. So just turn it inwards basically. Once you turn it inwards, we're going to take those two clips off, one over there and the second one there. My second one is missing. I will need a flathead screwdriver and a pliers, likely, not sure, but definitely a screwdriver to take the clips off. Just twist it left and then you should be able to pull it out with your hands. If not, then just get a plier and use that to pull the clips out. Now you can peel back the liner and get your hand in there. Just like that. Once you're in there, that gray bulb holder, that's the one. You have to just twist it left, and it's going to take you a good 30-40 seconds, maybe even a minute to get it to twist left. And so just be patient with it. See, it's going to take you a while. And you just have to twist it left a little bit. Like pause over here and look at the positions, locked and unlocked. You just have to twist it left a little bit, and once it's unlocked, the bulb holder just comes right out of the light, and there's enough wire length to just get it out like this. Once it's out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it for a few seconds to actually get it to come out, but it'll come right out. There's the bulb right there. Let's take a closer look at it. There are two filaments in it, and the bulb number is right there on it, 3457NA. Again, 3457NA. Get the new bulb and simply push it in the bulb holder and push it in, and now it's secured. Before we put it back in though, let's just go in the car and turn the four-way flashes on just to make sure it's actually working. And yes, it's working fine. Switch this off, and now let's put it back into the light housing. Now when you're putting it back, you have to make sure that it's sitting in properly before you twist it right. And it's going to take you a few seconds to get it right. So see, right now I just got it in, but it's not sitting in properly. See, it's sticking out. I'm going to have to do some twisting and turning, and now it's sitting in right. See, it just drops in. At this point I can just twist it right to lock the bulb holder back into place. Again, this may take a few seconds as well, so just be patient with it. And that's it. Now it's locked. That's pretty much it. Now let's just put the liner back in its place and put the clips on. Again, my one clip is missing, so I don't have to do that. I just have to put this one clip on, align the two holes and push it in, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found the video useful.